Alright, so we have a Jackson 1295 on a medium style door. You can see with the medium style door you're able to put the strike right here instead of taking this chunk out right here. On the outside, that's the way the rim cylinder finishes. This was a retrofit, so we weren't able to center it. We were covering the old crossbar. You can see how the mortise or the rim cylinder goes right down the middle. We electrified this panic bar here. It's got a command access latch retraction kit. This other door down here at the end of the hallway here, this is a narrow style door, also a Jackson 1295. You can see the difference being on this door right here, we had to pull out the door stop in order to fit the strike in order to get it closed for the door to shut. This is also a retrofit, so we took out the old Adams Wright hook lock. Right here, see, it used to be a hook lock, so made for a small person here, and then we just took over the mortise cylinder and put a rim cylinder in there. And that's the only way you can make this work on a narrow style, is having it pushed over and cutting out the door stop.